Hello, friends. I'm sure you must have thought about whether your business is ready to survive and continue operations after Corona lockdown. Also, if your business is ready to convert this situation into a very favorable opportunity for yourself. Friends, currently the whole world is passing through the difficult time of fear and uncertainty. Most of the countries' economies are in uncertain downtrend. It is very difficult for anyone to assess the impact and severity of damage to industry and businesses, whether it is large, medium, or small, doesn't matter. However, there are some businesses which are making short term gains due to this situation, but these are very few. Also, quantum of the impact and potential loss depends on industry, size, seasonality of the business, and many other parameters. Some businesses may lose their peak season and get impacted the most. Some may be lucky to find it coincide with a slack season. Some may face risk of permanent closure, while some may see great possibilities due to others' permanent closure, and many such complex situations to work on. As far as timing of this event is concerned, overall, based on sequence of events, trends and outcome till date, we can expect this pandemic to last approximately for 3 to 6 months. However, for businesses, the challenge is even after that. After the pandemic, maybe for 2 to 3 quarters, the businesses need some time to catch up to current levels of operations. So, what a business can do to face this situation and be ready to survive after this phase? I would like to focus on some important measures and actions which can keep you ahead of competition. Friends, firstly, stay safe. For any good contribution in future, you need to be alive and healthy. Although mortality rate of this coronavirus is less, nobody knows if it has long-term or permanent impact on our body or immune system. So it is better to try every measure to keep ourselves safe from getting infected. Whether right or wrong, whether we like it or not, let's follow lockdown and social distancing guidelines in true sense for some appropriate time depending on situation. Friends, secondly, you need to take care of your team. No business can survive and grow without a team. Businesses spent years or decades on building pool of suitable resources. This is the time we need to ensure that our core team is taken care of for all their needs. We need to give them comfort that their job and position is safe, and we shall face this situation as a team. I am sure if businesses take appropriate care of their team during this tough time, they will take care of the business in long run. Trust me, if you do not treat your extended business team as part of family, they will take the first available opportunity to exit post-corona. Friends, third is arrange funds for survival. Yes, money is important. Although government is doing their bit to support on their front, that may not be sufficient. Every business needs to prepare itself with a provision for working capital and fixed expenses at least for 4 to 6 months, assuming negligible or no revenue during this time. Some businesses may be able to do it easily, but many may find this difficult. But let's face it, if you have confidence in your business model, personal savings and funds can be leveraged during this time. You can also explore possibilities to get renegotiate facilities from financial institutions. Fourthly, be careful while cutting costs. Friends, this is really very important. Many times, a thought comes to mind of an entrepreneur to reduce the manpower and some other fixed costs during this difficult time. Trust me, this should be the last thing to be done. Before cutting any fixed cost like office space, communication and other support systems, evaluate the long-term impact on business before taking such decisions. Especially with reference to manpower, think about time and energy spent in getting and training such resources. Will you be able to easily get similar resources back again after the lockdown? Of course, you can renegotiate cost wherever possible in mutual beneficial way. Friends, fifth is refine business systems and procedures. This is the time when you can critically review overall business systems and procedures. Many times, as things are profitable, we ignore to look at any bottlenecks which could have improved the business profitability. With operations at standstill and availability of relatively more quality time, every process and system can be reviewed from neutral perspective for further improvement. Wherever possible, you can take help of external third-party expert for this task. Sixth is review your business strategy. With every such situation, many businesses shut down and many new ideas and opportunities come up. Review business strategy from various angles, including product analysis, value proposition for customers, pricing and costing, analysis of competition, and many such relevant parameters for your business segment and industry. Also look at possible organic and inorganic opportunities where existing resources can be leveraged. You need to seriously study or seriously look at possibilities and hypothetical scenarios if your business is facing challenge of permanent shutdown. If so, start working on alternate possibilities and avenues in advance. Also, evaluate which other businesses will face such a difficult situation and how you can fill this gap by leveraging some of your skills and resources. Friends, we are certain that demand and economy shall revive faster than what many of us think. It's up to you how you are preparing, renovating, and empowering the launchpad during this time to take off again. I wish you all the very best. Friends, if you would like to know more about any specific topic related to business strategy and growth, please feel free to mention it in the comment. Request you to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.